Yo, what's up guys, I'm Ved Rajesh and you're watching 1 Minute in Space. In today's special episode, I'll be talking about Expo 2020 in Dubai, which I recently visited, and all the amazing space achievements that I saw of different countries around the world. To start off, I visited India's pavilion, which was showcasing their GSLV rockets and many of their achievements, including launching a 3-ton satellite into orbit. They also showcased their spacesuit for their future space mission Mongolian, which will be their first manned mission ever. In the Luxembourg pavilion, which is not a common country in the space industry, I was surprised to see some of their space achievements, which include having the largest privately owned satellite network and contributing to future lunar missions. In the American pavilion, I witnessed many of America's achievements firsthand, including a full-scale replica of the Opportunity rover. I also got to touch a real moon rock collected from one of NASA's Apollo missions, along with a real meteorite from Mars that was found in Antarctica. I also got to ask a few questions to one of the employees there, and he talked to me about the differences between Artemis 1, 2, and 3, which are the first 3 missions the US will have in returning back to the moon. I have a question.
Sure.
So I heard there's like Artemis 1, 2, and 3, right?
Yeah.
So what's the difference between each?
So each one has a slightly different objective. Artemis 1 is really like, how are we going to get back to the moon? And then once we get back to the moon, what happens once we're there? Artemis 2 and 3 are focused on more of the settlement of the moon itself. So getting more supplies to the moon to build a permanent moon base, getting basically an International Space Station in the moon's orbit so that we can have astronauts orbiting around the moon on a permanent basis. And so Artemis 1 is like, can we get back there? How well can we get back there? What can we learn from that experience? And then Artemis 2 and 3 is like, what can we build there in the moon, on it, around there? That type of thing.
And why are we redoing that? We've already been to the moon.
So I think the first time we went to the moon in the 60s, it was like, can we do it? And then now we're going back, and the thought process is a lot more, well, we've been to the moon, why are we going back, and like, what can we do? So the biggest answer that I have is, there's a lot of resources on the moon's surface. So one of the biggest ones is helium-3, and as well, I think going back to the moon will lower the amount of mining and stuff that's happening here on Earth for precious metals. So all across the universe, specifically on the moon and Mars, there are similar precious metals to what we have here on Earth. If we could find a way to get more of those precious metals and not destroy our planet, then I think any way we can do that would be a big step forward. So that'll also help make solar energy cheaper, and other technologies will hopefully just kind of springboard from what we get from the moon.
Alright, thank you so much. That's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I saw at Expo 2020 in Dubai. Also, let me know in the comment section if you like longer videos like these. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.